Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Gnan Prerna Coaching Classes. Today in this video I am going to teach you the exercise of the first chapter of the 11th standards chemistry. Question number 2, answer the following questions. In that question number 2, answer the following questions. First question is state and explain Avogadro's law. Avogadro law. In 1811, Avogadro proposed that equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. 1811 मध्ये ॲव्होगॅड्रो या तज्ज्ञाने ॲव्होगॅड्रो लॉ एक्सप्लेन केलेला होता. त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे की इक्वल व्हॉल्यूम्स ऑफ ऑल गॅसेस ॲट द सेम टेम्परेचर अँड प्रेशर कंटेन इक्वल नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्युल्स. एखाद्या गॅसमध्ये असलेला व्हॉल्यूम तो इक्वल असतो, त्यातील टेम्परेचर आणि प्रेशर पण इक्वल असतं, तेव्हा त्यातील मॉलिक्युल्स इक्वल असतात. सो हियर if we consider the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen to produce water vapor, hydrogen plus oxygen equals to water. Hydrogen 100 ml, oxygen 50 ml, then it will be the 100 ml. 2 volume of hydrogen, 1 volume of oxygen and 2 volume of so 2 molecules plus 1 molecule equals to 2 molecules. We see that 2 volumes of hydrogen combine with 1 volume of oxygen to give 2 volumes of water vapor without leaving any unreacted oxygen. According to Avogadro law, if one volume contains n molecules, then 2n molecules of hydrogen combine with the molecules of oxygen to give 2n molecules of water. This was the Avogadro law. We have explained it very shortly. Question number 2, answer the following question. There is the H. Question number H, state and explain the law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. Anthony Loiser's period was 1743 to 1794. A French scientist, he was a French scientist, is often referred to as the father of modern chemistry. He carefully performed many combustion experiments, namely burning of phosphorus and mercury, both in the presence of air. Both resulted in an increase in weight. After several experiments, he found that the weight gained by the phosphorus was exactly the same as the weight lost by the air. He observed that total mass of reactants equals to total mass of products. When hydrogen gas burns and combines with oxygen to yield water, the mass of the water formed is equal to the mass of the hydrogen and oxygen consumed. Thus, the law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed. Like this law of conservation of mass we can write in this answer. Question number I, the law of multiple proportions. This law was proposed by John Dalton in 1803. It has been observed that two or more elements may form more than one compound. Law of multiple proportion summarizes many experiments on such compounds. When two elements, namely A and B, form more than one compounds, the masses of element B that combine with a given mass of A are always in the ratio of small whole numbers. For example, here, example number 1, hydrogen combines with oxygen to form two compounds, namely water and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen plus oxygen equals to water. 2 gram of hydrogen, 16 gram of oxygen equals to 18 gram of water. Hydrogen plus oxygen is equals to hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen 2 gram plus oxygen 32 gram is equals to hydrogen peroxide is 34 gram. Here it is found that the two masses of oxygen Exemligracia 16 gram and 32 gram, which combine with a fixed mass of hydrogen 2 gram, are in the ratio of small whole numbers 16:32 or 1:2. Second example we can take here like this: nitrogen and oxygen combine to form two compounds, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen plus oxygen is equals to nitric oxide, nitrogen 14 gram, oxygen 16 gram is equals to 30 gram of nitric oxide. Nitrogen plus oxygen is equals to nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen 14 gram plus oxygen 32 gram is equals to nitrogen dioxide 46 gram. Here we find that the two masses of oxygen 16 gram and 32 gram when combined with a fixed mass of nitrogen 40 gram are in the ratio of small whole numbers 16:32 or 1:2. Like this we can explain the law of multiple proportions, which is proposed by John Dalton. So like this, it was 3 questions in this video of exercise of first chapter of the chemistry of 11th standard, some basic concept of chemistry. Question number 2 we have explained it. So that if you like this, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.